did like 4 pull-ups, nigga.
No, I didn't. I did like 10.
No, you did it.
Yes, I did.
Chris did 10. Nigga, Chris did like 2. Nigga, I saw Chris. Your ass did like the first time you went up there, you did like 3, and then got down. I was like, you a weak ass nigga. Bro, why y'all doing this shit, bro? Y'all niggas finna do this in the room. The next nigga do this. Like, what's up with this shit? Nothing. All about fighting. It ain't about fighting. Hey! They gonna pay you $20 if you do 10.
Look at Ivan go.
Some you tough.
Dunbar Gymnasium, doing what we call BMX Flatland. Coming to you out of Minneapolis, Minnesota, a former 3-time X Games gold medalist. Lexington, make some noise for Trevor Meyer. Trevor, showing you don't need ramps to be a BMXer. You just need some balance and a whole lot of creativity. And he gets that bike on its side. Make some noise for Trev. We also brought a few ramps out here and some riders that know how to ride them rather well. This next gentleman, he's been a part of the No Hate Tour for many years, performing in all 50 of our United States. From the United Greenville, North Carolina, make some noise for Logan Place. He brought his school spirit out here with that red pink bicycle coming back over the box jump. Let's see what he has. Dunbar, get us into town with him. And up next, he's the newest and youngest member of our team. While he may be young, his skill far outweighs his years. A lover of ice cream and his tiny little dog Buttercup back home in New Jersey. Make some noise for Colin Ackerman! Starting out with a little one-hander, no further put it on his hip. We call it the Peter Pan, flying through the last, but certainly not least, he's been a part of the industry for quite some time. Growing up in Florida, most recently calling South Florida his home. You see him do halftime shows for the NFL, for the NBA. Make some noise for Russell Somerville. Superman. He's coming back for a little bit more. Trying it for Eastern Lights. Make some noise for Russell. And my name is Zach. I'm actually from Frankfurt, and I too love riding BMX. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about my story, about my journey, how it is I came to be here with you all this morning, later on in the show. If you're interested in what I have to say, that is great. That is fantastic. That is incredible. If you are not, also okay. However, the folks sitting around you might want to hear what it is that I have to say. So during those speaking moments, if we can keep it quiet, I would certainly appreciate it. Speaking of being appreciative, we're appreciative of each and every one of you as being our new fans. So I believe these riders are grabbing a couple Marines things, and they're coming around looking for some loud people. The ground is lava, and Trevor is looking flawless so far. Well, you see Trevor come out here and get warmed up the best way that he knows how. But for this next set, we're going to let our ramp riders do just the same. Make sure that everything is going according to plan. That way, when they get to the last set, they can crank it to 11. And Dunbar, if you're excited, if you're happy to be out of class, watching some sweet BMX tricks, then you need to turn up that volume and send it to Logan Place. Logan all the way from North Carolina, doing it for King Bicycles. Let's go, Robert! If you think you're tired this morning, imagine being 15 feet off the ground, not holding your bicycle. Colin Ackerman, Horseman X up on the corner. This next one takes a little bit more effort. We call this one the seat stand wheelie. And Trevor loves to do this one because he says that it's really cool. I know, that was pretty terrible. But send that energy because Trevor is far from terrible. Those handlebars down to the ground. Making the impossible possible out here. Nearly a decade to perfect that move. Now there are 4 types of bullying we deal with in today's modern school systems. Physical, verbal, psychological. They've all been around for quite some time. They're nothing new. But what is the 4th most prevalent type of bullying we deal with in the digital world? Cyberbullying, that is correct. That is getting by the computer screen or a cell phone and being mean with your thumbs. Remember, there's someone on the other end of that screen reading your words in their own voice. Trust me when I say this, words matter. What you say matters. What you type matters. And so does this man, Trevor Meyer. He certainly matters. He made this happen. The exclamation point. Trevor Meyer in the decade. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Trevor. Now you've seen some technical moves. Put him tailing. Oh, it's on. He's looking good. Dunbar. A double tail. 2 times around. Tail up to their tap. 1, 2, 3, scream. Russell Somerville with the running backflip, otherwise known as the player. Give it up for Russell, Colin, and Logan. Anyone having fun today? Yeah? He's gonna punch it like a swing set. Oh, his foot slipped off. I don't know. I think someone opened a chair back, or opened a door back here. Maybe the wind blew. I saw that chair wiggle a little bit. How we feeling, Russell? Thumbs up? Russell's feeling good. Dunbar, how are we thinking? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Well, ma'am, I'm seeing a couple thumbs down, 2 from your new best friend, Trevor. He decided to bring his matching helmet to your shirt today. But I'm seeing an overwhelming amount of thumbs up. I also saw a thumbs up from Mr. Barnes behind me. I believe the thumbs up have it. We're gonna go for it. Top of the ramp, make some noise for Miss Kirsten, everybody. Now, while you are seated there, ma'am, I'm going to need you to stay seated, sitting straight up and down with your feet flat. Do not move, do not flinch, do not stand up at any point. Number 2, I'm going to need you to keep your eyes open because you have the best seat in the house.
Oh, this can't be good.
Miss Thurston staring fear directly in the face.
Oh, I bet this is not going to end well.
They do say it's lonely at the top of that ramp.
I bet this is not
So
going to
let's bring
end
one
well.
of our local Marine recruiters. Let's make some noise for Staff Sergeant Baker, everybody. How you doing? You enjoying the show so far, sir? It is my understanding you're a highly trained military professional and you've been to boot camp, is that correct? And they teach you to run up, jump up, climb up, whatever object is in front of you? Today, that's a BMX ramp. Let's get him up there and risk his life for your entertainment pleasure. Make some noise for this gentleman. Same thing to you, sir. Do not run back to your recruiting office. Please stay put. Lastly, Ms. Thurston, if you can take your left arm and stick it straight to the sky for me. Staff Sergeant Baker, right arm straight to the sky. What that does, that gives Russell something to aim for other than their foreheads. So he's going to get back to the back of the gymnasium. He's going to get his wits about him. And when you see him take off, you're going to scream, you're going to shout, you're going to clap. We're going to pull our cell phones out. We're going to hit record. We had a video from one of our shows about a month ago that has since gone viral. That young lady's video, somewhere around 18 million views the last time I checked. That could be you. No matter the outcome, we want to put it on the internet. Or you can just take it home and show grandma. That goes too. Make some noise for Russell Somerville! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Russell Somerville! And as they make their way to safety, make some noise for Staff Sergeant Baker and your freshman principal, Miss Thurston, everybody! I mentioned earlier to find that thing you love and stick with it. It was not always taught to me, though. This man is on the road 24/7. Most recently, you might have caught Russell doing a halftime for the Grizzlies. Logan, big can right there. And the 360 minute back. Little stanky leg action on the way in. Colin doing it for the Monster Army. Doing it for you all out here. He's hurting, but he's still going for you. A consummate professional. Russell, taking the whip the wrong direction. Taylor on the corner plate. Can he make it happen? The double tail. That is 4 tail whips in one run out of Russell. Everyone's getting dizzy out here. Whoa! I think he made Logan too dizzy. It's time for the backflip. Generally, you want to keep the rubber side down. Logan wants to take it rubber side up. Pull Laurence Dunbar. Let me hear you with the backflip. Logan getting upside down right there. Colin Ackerman coming in. We call him Camo Colin because half his wardrobe consists of camouflage. Russell Somerville is going to turn it up. The floor! Can he make this happen? Dunbar, make some noise for that no hate tour! What's up? But did they earn the encore? Dunbar, if you think you deserved another run, if you want an encore run out of all 3 of these riders, and even if you don't think that, you think you might talk later in class and you just have some energy to get out, I want you to scream. I want you to shout. I want you to be so loud that they hear you in Louisville. Let's scream and make some noise! It's starting to charge all the way down. wouldn't be out here if it weren't for a few folks we dealt with on our way to success. You all deal with them on the daily. They love you, they care about you, they want to see you succeed in life. So a huge round of applause to your teachers, your principals, your counselors, the custodians, those in the lunchroom, the bus drivers, the nurse, the PTA, the Board of Education. Let's see, do we have any interpreters? There's probably someone else. Security. If you are being bullied, if you are being pushed around or picked on, seek out an administrator. They're there to help you come up with a plan of action to make it stop. One final time, make some noise for your faculty. Literally willing to risk life and limb for you all on the daily. There's an organization that brought us out here. They do a lot of selfless service and sacrifice to protect the freedoms and liberties that you and I share in this country. So a huge round of applause to the few, the proud, the United States Marine Corps. Come by after the show and give one of these gentlemen in uniform, Staff Sergeant Baker and PFC Hernandez, a fist bump and tell them thank you for their service. Thank you for bringing the No Hate Tour out here to Dunbar. One more time, make some noise for the Marines. Let's see, we thank the faculty, we thank the Marines.